I can spread the rest of this mulch. And this.
Yeah, sure. You can. I don't have a problem with that. I just wasn't worried about it for.
Yep.
Yeah, because it'll generally help to keep the moisture in the bed. It'll dry off on the top, but then underneath it'll be moist, you know?
Right. Now, we made these hoops about 12 years ago. They're made with 3/4 inch PVC. I didn't specifically bend them. We just put them in place and they've taken a set over time.
And remember, there's 2 different sizes there.
Yep.
Every once in a while I get the wrong size and I'm like, oops. And that's fine depending on what you're planting.
I'm just using the tall ones.
Okay. That just takes a bigger piece of cover. I don't know what we have for cover right now.
We'll find out. This is one of the benefits of using these cinder blocks that aren't filled, because there's a natural place to put the hoops.
And you can buy clips to hold them in place, the row cover in place on them, or you can use a random selection of clips and all kinds of other stuff, which is sort of what we do, a combination of things. Now, as I'm working, you'll notice that there's a funny looking marker thing here. This. And this has the number of the bed. Just makes it easy so you don't have to count, because this is actually functional. That's bed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you know, but if you, this way you don't have to think about it when you're changing irrigation settings or anything else. And if I have only one thing in the bed, I will put that label down next to the bed label. So there's no question in your mind if somebody's helping you. You don't have to say, well, it kind of looks like this or something like that. You can just say, it's this bed, it's got that label on it.
And it's that easy to put the hoops in. It takes almost no time. Very, very easy to do. good thing we bought these last year.
Mm-hmm.
Last time we were at Home Depot, I didn't see any.
They frequently run out of them in the spring anyway. Even in a normal year, even pre-COVID, they used to run out of them regularly. I'm a little concerned about a couple of these. I'm hoping they'll recover.
Well, I think were these the ones they said to pinch the top out? Or was that the other ones?
You don't pinch anything. That's how you kill them. That's what Stark told us to do.
I think that's what they said to do on the other berries that we're going to be planting.
No. The other ones are bare root. You're listening to some other body who wants to espalier everything. Top is already completely dried out on this from the wind. Okay. Oh, one of the things when you put these in, you have to watch to make sure they're actually all the way down the bottom. This is not on the bottom. It's on the ridge. Because it'll pop right out the first time the wind hits it.
And that's how you put hoops on.